What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel, or welcome back to the channel if you've been here before. Today we're gonna go back and look at the headlights. So a little while ago I did a video about turtle wax restoration kit on my headlights, and they were super bad, and the turtle wax cleaned them up a little bit. And since then I've been searching around and asking other people. Well, I found a video from Night Drive TV, who's on YouTube as well, about how to redo Corvette headlights, and he showed another method that I'm going to show you guys now. So if you guys want to see how to clean these headlights up good, better than before, maybe they won't be perfect, but they'll be better, stick around and we'll get into it. Alright guys, so the things you're going to need to do the headlight restoration is pretty simple. Some masking tape, something to mask the area of the paint off on your car. I just have some newspaper there, sandpaper, and then clear coat and some water. So the way that he did it was he took and masked off the headlight first. So this is what the headlights look like again after about a month. I'm not sure if this way is actually going to protect them for longer, but I hope it helps. And you mask off the headlight, and then we're going to wet sand with 800 grit, and then I also have some 1000 grit. So I couldn't find any more 800 grit at my local Napa, but I just grabbed some 1000 grit, wet sand them, get them so they look cloudy, but even cloudiness, and then we are going to clear coat them real quick, and hopefully it will, take care of these for a little bit longer and they'll be clear. Like I said in the other video, I'm not going for perfect. I know a lot of guys have perfect Corvettes. If that's what you're looking for, maybe don't do this method. Just because that's not how I drive my cars. I'm not rich or anything. I just want to drive my cars. I want to have fun. This car, if you haven't looked at my other videos, came out of a barn. So we rebuilt this car and got it to where it is now. Super cheap Corvette. But I'm going to get into the wet sanding, or masking first, then wet sanding. And I guess I'll set you guys up for a time lapse maybe. We'll see what we'll do with this. Alright guys, so we're back. I've been wet sanding for what feels like forever. 800 grit did not do it. I bumped up to 600, it didn't really do it. Then I bumped up to 400. So I'll show you what that looks like right now. I'm going to sand it again with 1000 to clear everything up, and then I'm going to spray it. So I'll kind of show you what's going on right now. So you can see everything's kind of the same kind of fog now. There's still a couple spots in here where there's the old clear coat. This is what it's supposed to look like. I'll show you kind of what on this one what happened. So right here there's no clear, that's the clear, and that's what's contaminating everything. So these have like ceramic coat on them, a little bit of like cheap ceramic sealer, not really ceramic coat. But now that it's focused, you can see this is the clear, and that's what's contaminating everything, making everything look bad. This is the actual plastic with this a little bit of ceramic clear on it, or ceramic coat on it, sealing, whatever you want to call it. So I had to sand like all of this off so that I could get to that and make this all that hazy color. That's that right there. I'm gonna go back, touch up these couple little spots, and then I'll get back with you guys I'm gonna hit it with 1,000, clear those little spots, hit it with 1,000, and then we will spray them and see how they come. So here's the final product before. Spray it with the clear. It's pretty even. It's not perfect. It's completely fogged. So we'll see what happens. All right, so I've got 2 coats of clear on the headlight now, and I'm just gonna give you guys a quick before and after, so you'll be able to see what it looks like finished, and then the one that I haven't touched yet. I think this is where this video is gonna end. So I'll show you this, and then it looks pretty good. I would say probably 90%. It's not brand new, obviously, and there's a little bit of orange peel because I got greedy with the clear coat. But if you look at that compared to that, man, that's a huge difference. So I'll just try to do both in one shot. Yeah, that's big. Like I said, I tried to start out with 800. It wouldn't cut it. I couldn't get through that old nasty clear, so I bumped down to 600. Finally ended up at 4. It took a little bit of time. Maybe you can do this with a DA and or like a grinder with a small pad on it, so you can get in there really close. I don't have that. I was just doing it by hand. I think the rain is going to creep up on me now, so I'm not going to be able to get the other one done today. I'll probably do a walk around when they're both done, but as you can see, it with a little bit of sandpaper, some water, wet sand it, and then clean it off, clear it. I use some Duplicolor clear. Hopefully it'll UV protect it. I'm not sure it will, but if you guys want to see more of this car, more of what we're doing, give us a like, subscribe, and hope you guys have a great day. Get out there, enjoy your cars, and God bless.